Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to end it with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover the 9th chapter, Merry-Go-Round of Marigold. I hope you all have seen the merry-go-round in a fair. Friends, listen and enjoy the poem. Merry-go-round. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down, around and round, and up and down, around and round, and up and down. I sat high up on a big brown horse and rode round on the merry-go-round and rode around. On the merry-go-round, I rode around on the merry-go-round, around and round and round. Now friends, let us summarize the poem. Listen very carefully. In this poem, we can see a child enjoying itself the merry-go-round, sits on the brown colored wooden horse which takes it up and down. She is really enjoying the ride of merry-go-round. Friends, I hope you all have understood the poem clearly. I will provide you more example, quiz, worksheet on our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, let us know some new words and their meanings along with the example of sentences. Our first word is around. Around means in a circle or every side. Look at the picture friends. The children are playing all around the park. Our next word is down. Down means in bottom position. Let us take an example of sentence. Sita fell down from the stairs. It is the opposite of up. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on that button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Our next word is in. It means within something. It is the opposite of out. Friends, observe the picture carefully. The cat is in the box, which means inside the box. Our next word is on. It means to put in contact with something. On is the opposite of under. Let us take an example of sentence. The apple is on the box. Friends, look at the picture. Here the pencil is also on the books. Now let us move on to our next slide. Our next word is out. It means to move away. Now let us take an example of sentence. I went out to play in the afternoon. Our next word is round. It defines a circular shape of some objects like balls, marbles, etc. Friends, look at the picture of the ball. The ball is round in shape. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Our last word is up. It is a kind of preposition which is used to define the position or movement to a higher or more important place or degree, etc. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. They began to climb up the hill. Friends, I hope you all have understood the meanings clearly. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is O. Observe the pattern carefully. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. So the answer is O. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The question is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a revolving machine with model of horse or car. And the last option is, you can find me in a fair. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay well, go with Clear Basic. Bye bye friends.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.